This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 53 Serverless Computing II. The video discusses a DC microgrid simulation during peak, off-peak, and isolated modes, analyzing various time intervals with battery and grid status details. During peak mode operation, the bus voltage variation with PV battery and ultracapacitor current characteristics are shown, capturing the load current reduction connected to the grid along with grid voltage and current details. In off-peak mode, the video examines battery and ultracapacitor characteristics, analyze bus voltage, PV current, grid voltage and current characteristics, and explores load current behavior across different cases over time. The isolated mode operation analyzes the microgrid behavior without a grid connection, observing DC bus voltage, PV current, battery, ultracapacitor and load currents with a focus on battery behavior during PV variations and grid outages. Two autonomous DC microgrids operating at 100V and 48V are interconnected, with time zones analyzed to demonstrate PV, battery, and load characteristics, simulating a larger scale scenario with numerous microgrids impacting the national grid. The DC microgrid is integrated with the Indian National Grid via RTDS and an amplifier for testing energy management strategies in a closed-loop setup with experiments repeated at each bus to study the overall grid impact. A case study integrates the DC microgrid with the IIT Roorkee distribution system, exploring a steady-state scenario after reducing the original Indian network to a 120-bus model for simulation feasibility. A feasibility study simulates the IIT Roorkee distribution system in RTDS using practical data, optimizing DC microgrid placement for improved voltage profile and PV utilization, with PHIL experimentation performed on the IIT Roorkee campus. The utility grid is interfaced with a DC microgrid connected to an IEEE distribution system, simulating a 1.7 MW load, 0.4 MW battery, and 1.8 MW PV scaled down 1000s, with a lab setup including RTDS, amplifier, PV emulators, DC loads, battery ultracapacitor, converters, sensors, and transformers. The hardware in the loop experimentation setup converts digital to analog signals, amplifies them, and feeds them back, allowing analog to digital conversion for RTDS and facilitating closed-loop PHIL experimentation. Comparing power characteristics with and without coordinated voltage control in the DC microgrid. The lecture focused on hardware implementation of case studies from previous lectures, covering energy management, integration with the IITR distribution system, and the All India network, with coordinated voltage control schemes executed with the help of a DC microgrid. Key takeaways include the benefits of microgrid integration for optimal power flow and voltage regulation, the challenges of simulating large grids and the use of reduced models, the need for non-critical load curtailment when battery SOC is low, and the improved PV utilization and battery flexibility provided by the microgrid. The coordinated voltage control enabled through DC microgrid grid coupling and the hardware in the loop setup for closed-loop experimentation were highlighted as important aspects of the research. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.